Hello students, today we are going to start new topic differential equation. What is the differential equation? An equation which involves unknown functions and their derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. For example, in first example, you can see it is written 5d square y upon dx square plus 8 dy upon dx whole square equal to log x. So there is a sign of equal to, that means it is a equation. It contains derivative dy by dx is first order derivative, d square y upon dx square second order of derivative. It contains derivatives, that's why it is called differential equation. So in general, if an equation contains derivatives, then it is called differential equations. Here we have differentiate it with respect to x. So x is the independent variable, as written here, independent variable with respect to one or more independent variables. So here x is independent variable and the y is differentiated with respect to x. That's y will be dependent variable. Okay, so an equation contains derivatives is called differential equation. Now in second example you can see y triple dash means d cube y upon dx cube, third order derivative. Y double dash means second order, y dash means first order. So d square y upon dx square can be written as y double dash, dy upon dx can be written as y dash. Okay, so this is also a differential equation because it contains derivative first order, second order, third order. So it is a differential equation. In third example you can see there is second order derivative plus sine dy by dx equals to 0. So it is also a differential equation because it contains derivative. And you must remember that the variable in which it with respect to these are differentiated, that variable is known as independent variable. X is independent here and y is dependent. Now what is the order? Order of differential equation. The highest order derivative is called the order of differential equation. Means highest derivative is called the order of differential equation. For example, in first example here you can see there is second order derivative and first order. So what is the highest order? Second. So its order is 2. So I have written here in above example order of first is 2. Now come to the second example. It is third order derivative, second order, first order. So we have to see, we can see here the highest derivative is third order, correct? So the order of second equation is 3. Now order of third, highest derivative is second order, It is first order derivative, it is second order, highest derivative, second order, that's why its order will be 2. Now students, what is the degree of differential equation? If each term involving derivatives of a differential equation is a polynomial, student, this word you have to remember, is a polynomial or can be expressed as polynomial, then the highest exponent of the highest order derivative is called the degree of differential equation. Means if each term of the differential equation is a polynomial or it can be expressed as a polynomial, then degree is defined. Then the highest exponent of highest order derivative is called degree of differential equation. For example, dy upon dx plus 2x cube plus 7 root x equals to 0. So each term is a polynomial. So its order is 1. So the power of the exponent of dy by dx here 1. That's why its degree is also 1. In second example, d square y upon dx square whole cube plus 2y dy upon dx whole square plus 5 equals to 0. Each term is a polynomial here. So degree can be defined. Now what is the highest power of order? Its order is 2 and its power you can see is 3. That's why its degree is 3. Now let us take one more example. One more example we are going to take. 3 dy upon dx whole square equals to xy minus sine 2x upon dy by dx. This is not in the polynomial form, but if we take LCM and do cross multiplication, then it will be changed into proper polynomial form. So let us take example here. 3 dy upon dx whole square. So when we take LCM and cross multiplication, then it will become cube equals to xy dy by dx minus sine 2x. So this can be written as, when we take LCM and by cross multiplication, it will be 3 dy by dx whole cube equal to xy dy by dx minus sine 2x. Now each term of this equation is a polynomial. So its order is 1 and its degree is 3. The power of order is known as degree. Correct? So its order is 1. Here power of order is 3. Correct? The highest power. So that's why its degree is 3. So its degree is 3. Correct? Let us take one more example. Example number 4. Here you can see it is given here y double dash whole square minus sine y dash equals to 0. So we can write it as y double dash means d square y upon dx square. It's square minus sine dy by dx. y dash means dy by dx. So dy by dx is inbuilt with sign here, correct? So it is not a polynomial. Okay, that's why its degree cannot be defined. Sin y dash means sin dy by dx. So it is not a polynomial. If we do squaring or cubing, so we cannot separate both of them. That's why it is not a polynomial. So its degree cannot not be defined, but says order is 2. Highest order is 2. High. So that's why its order is 2. But because it is not a polynomial sin y dash, so its degree cannot be defined. Okay? So its degree cannot be defined, student. So students, today we learn what is differential equation, what is order of differential equation, and what is the degree of differential equation. Degree is defined when each term of the differential equation is a polynomial, or we can express it as a polynomial. Correct? Then its degree is defined. If each term is not a polynomial, then degree is not defined. You can see in this case sin dy by dx. So it is not a polynomial. That's why degree cannot be defined.